Okay, guys. So with $43, right over here, you get instant funding of $1,000 account. No challenges whatsoever. You're not passing any challenge. You just get your login details and you start trading. Whatever amount you make there, 70% goes to you and 30% goes to the company. Now, Tentrade is not just a prop um, company or a prop firm company. They're actually a full-fledged regulated broker. So the prop firm is just a section of it that gives, funds to traders who know what they are doing. Now they also have the challenge accounts where you have to pass challenge phases, but this is the instant fund, which is the one I'm very most interested in, and that is why I'm also sharing this information with you guys. So guys, if you like this video or if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, click the thumbs up button, and also drop the comments and let me know what you think. Now, they have different types of accounts. They have the 3K account, 10K, 30K, all the way up to 500K, and they have rules you have to follow while you are trading them. Now, one good thing about this platform is that there is no monthly target. So any amount you make months or in 2 weeks, you can place your withdrawal, and 70% goes to you instantly. So there is no monthly target, unlike many other platforms out there where you have monthly targets that if you don't meet up, they will just have to reset the account and you start all over again. So like I said, after 15 days you can place your withdrawal. So you don't actually have to wait to up to a month before you can place withdrawals. Now, if you are going for the 10K accounts and above, you actually have an opportunity of scaling up if you make up to 10%. What that simply means is that from 10K you can get 30K accounts, keep increasing your capital as long as you keep hitting 10% on those accounts. But for the 1K and 3K, there's no scaling. It's just going to be 1K and 3K accounts, right? So in terms of drawdown, there's a 9% maximum drawdown on the 1K and 3K accounts. Then from the 10K all the way up to the gold and the rest, the more the account, the larger the account size, the smaller the maximum drawdown. Now, the daily drawdown 6%, which is actually very cool, a little bit above industry standard, which is 5%. So it gives you a lot of flexibility, especially if you are day trading. Now over here, the maximum amount of days you need to trade or have traded before you place withdrawals is 5 days, which is very, very okay, industry standard. Now, consistency rule applies, meaning the amount of loss that you are supposed to use, all right? You don't have to use lots uncontrollably. All right, I'm going to be making a video about the consistency rule, so subscribe to this channel so that you get notified about how the rules work, full breakdown on how the rules actually work. Now there is these are the minimum lot size you can place in each account. All right, 0.01 for the 1K all the way to 500K, which is one lot size. That's the minimum lot size you can use. Now the leverage is actually very okay, because 1:100 is a standard industry leverage. And the good thing about this platform is that you can trade basically not just currency pair. You can trade crude oil, you can trade gold, that is commodities, metals, you can trade all those stuff with 100 leverage. It's actually very, very cool. So like I already mentioned, profit share is 70%. So if you make, let's say, $1,000 on the 10K account, for example, you go home with $700 and they get to keep 300. Now these are the fees, which for me is actually very okay, because if you compare it to challenges, let's say for example, for with $330 you get a 10K account. Now sometimes some of these challenges you can go as high as $100 or $110, and sometimes you have to buy like three or four of them before you eventually pass, then even thinking of making profits and making withdrawals. So but with instant funding, $330 for K accounts, any amount you make instantly you get to withdraw them. So I think this is actually a very cool platform. If you are looking for instant funding, you don't want to waste your time um, trying to pass challenge phases. I actually love instant funding. That doesn't mean that I don't also go for evaluations, but instant funding makes it faster for you to get some money from the markets, then maybe go for, let's say, larger accounts, in terms of larger evaluation accounts. So if you want to get an account with 10 trades, just check the link below this video, and you will see the link. Subscribe for more updates. on 10 trades. All right, take care, guys.